Yeah, so I was just poking around in there and I realised I can get this motor to slide back a bit. If it goes back enough, I should be able to drop that out. And looking at it, it feels like there's a bit too much wobble in there, so almost like that bearing's knackered, or like I've lost a bushing off that or something. I'm not entirely sure how that's supposed to sit. Or maybe it's the bushing in this side that's supposed to keep it centered or whatever. So I'm going to see if that's moved up or down the spindle any. I might just try spacing it, trying to find a tiny washer to sit on this and see if that'll push it closer to the cog that needs to spin, so it sits closer to the teeth if I space it. Let's see if I've got a washer that size. Some washers. I remember them being a lot smaller. See if this will do it. Yep, it goes on. Whether it'll still spin is a different story, but we can try it. Right, let's get that out of the way. Oh wow. I'm making this a lot harder than it needs to be. Me and my fat fingers. Right, let me get that motor back in place. It sits a bit too high now, that pinion won't come over it. Pinion? Is that the right word for it? I don't know. I think it's a bit too high now. Right, back to the drawing board. Well, maybe that bearing's just pushed out a bit. Maybe I just need to push the bearing and seat it fully. Maybe. Or unseat it. Or something. It's definitely moved. He was on the wonk now, but it's definitely moved. Oh wow. That should be pretty close now. There we go. I wonder if that'll do it. Yeah. Feel like it's still missing teeth, so I'll just play with that a little bit and see if I can get it right.